If I wash out this makeup on my face now, I don't have any acne, dark spots because I've been using this particular two products. Do you have a sensitive skin? Do you have a normal skin? And you've been thinking of the right product to use for your face that will not irritate your skin or give you acne? Then this video is for you. So today I'll be reviewing this particular two amazing products, and I will tell you why you should get this particular product. Is it actually worth it? Just stick around and watch this video to the end. I'll be reviewing this simple moisturizer and the simple facial wash. I'll put on a picture with the pack, and this is how it looks inside. This is the simple replenishing rich moisturizer, and this is a simple glow facial wash. This moisturizer and face wash, these are the things I've been using lately, and as you can see, it's amazing. Like if you have a sensitive skin and if you have a normal skin, if you don't have crazy acne and you just want something that will not react on your skin or harsh on your skin or that will sting your skin, I think you should get these two products. These are the two products I've been using. I've used them for like 4 months. I use them only daytime. I could tell you for a fact that these two products are very, very gentle on the skin and it will not irritate your skin. This replenishing rich moisturizer will help moisturize your skin. It will give you 12 hours of moisturization. It contains vitamin B5, it contains vitamin E, and it also contains niacinamide. It's also antioxidant and also anti-pollution. It's kind to the skin. It's perfect for all skin type. No color, no perfume, no harsh chemical that can upset your skin. You see what I was saying? It doesn't upset the skin. It's so mild on the skin and also locking moisture on your skin. If you don't have too much acne and you just want a moisturizer that you can apply on your face and you'll be rest assured that it's not harsh on your skin, it's not upset your skin, please get this moisturizer. If you also have an oily skin, you can also use this. If you have an oily skin, does not mean you don't need something that will hydrate your skin. This particular replenishing rich moisturizer is also good for oily skin. You just use a little quantity. But if you have a normal skin and if you have a sensitive skin, this is a go-to for you. The hydrating light moisturizer, that one is also good. This particular moisturizer is so nice. This is what I'm practically using, and I've using it now for 4 months. I don't have any regret at all. It doesn't irritate my skin, and it just gives me my natural skin color. It didn't darken me. It's just so nice. Like this moisturizer is a moisturizer I will keep using. Like it's one moisturizer I've used, and I don't have any regret on using them. If you want something that will be kind on your skin, then you should go for this. Then talking about this simple glow facial wash, they say it's smooth radiant skin. It contains vitamin C plus antioxidant, natural clay, protect and glow. It's 100% soap free for dull skin. No color, no perfume, no harsh chemical that can upset your skin, and it's vegan friendly. Yes, this facial wash is what I've been using. I use it daytime, mostly daytime. I don't even use it at night because it contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is better you use it daytime than use it at night. I always recommend to people, like someone asking, should I use niacinamide or should I use vitamin C daytime? Please, anything that contains vitamin C, please use it daytime. Then maybe you can use other ones at night. I've been using this wash now for like more than 4 months, and I can tell you for a fact that these two products are products I've used and I'm not regretting buying them. Okay, this product is very, very effective, especially if you have a simple, like the name said, simple. It's actually simple on the skin. So if you want something that will not irritate your skin, I just want something that will maintain your skin. Maybe for instance, two products, it just maintain my skin color, it just moisturize my face, and it just make my face glow. It doesn't lighten me. These two products will not lighten me. It's just there. It's just simple. It just give you your natural tone. It gives you a natural skin. It doesn't irritate you, and it just smoothens your skin. Like if you see, it smoothens your skin, it softens your skin. That's basically what this particular two product does on the skin. This one may be a bit harsh for those that have sensitive skin, but I use it. If you have a sensitive skin, you can use this, but don't use it every day. But if you have a normal skin, this is a good to. This product is a product I'll keep using because it's perfect for my skin. This particular two products, I've been using them. I've used some face wash, but this still remains my favorite. Like as you can see, I've used them. Like I've practically used all of them. Like you can see, and it's lightweight. Say it's thick, but it's lightweight. See, as you can see, You see, and it absorbs into the skin easily. It's lightweight. It's very very nice. This one has more like a rough, exfoliating things on it. It's not harmful. It's not harsh on the skin. It's still mild, and it's very very nice to help glow your skin. Seriously. So if you're considering moisturizer and face wash, you should get. If you have a normal skin, if you don't have an acne prone skin, then please get these two products. Okay, these products are my favorite. They are my fave lately. So I recommend you use them. Okay, you know, guys, you know that I always help you guys to something nice. So get this particular two combos, and you're glad. You can also use simple toner. It's also good. I'm planning on getting the toner to mix with these two, and I'm good to go. I'll just know that okay, I have something I'm applying daytime. For my night time, I'll be sharing my routine in my next video. So look out for that. Okay. Okay, guys, have you used any of this product? Which one is your favorite? What's the experience like? Please do have to share with us in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.